Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church. It's been a while since we reviewed something from Supcase, but today we've got something really good, an iPad Pro 13-inch case with pencil holder, and we're going to be opening this up, trying this out after this. Hey, before I begin, I just want to make sure that you guys remember to click the like and subscribe, because I'm having issues with this site lately. Some of you guys know I do YouTube shorts. They have not been getting the amount of hits they really should be getting lately. I have no idea why. I'm working on it. Also, I have a book out, The Labyrinth House. This is the newest edition of a book that I published about a decade ago. Just recently got a re-release, and I want you guys to check it out. It's on Amazon and Barnes & Noble now. Let's get to the product. Okay, before I get to the unboxing, I want to be pretty blunt in how I do my reviews. A lot of times I'm sent a case, but I don't necessarily have the phone to essentially, pair with the case. So I can't really give a fair review of it, but I can at least show off the case. And I've done that several times. And I've gotten a lot of criticisms on my comments because of it. This time, I've actually have an iPad Pro. Actually, this is a dummy. It's got a place to charge it. I haven't tried charging it, but I'm pretty sure if I did, it probably wouldn't work. This is just made essentially so I can just give you a good example of it, and I fully intend to. Anyway, let's unbox this and see what we got. Oh, whoop, all upside down. Okay, it's been a while since I've done a good unboxing here. Boy, I kind of miss this. Yeah, since we're gonna get to the holiday season here, once summertime ends, I'm sure we'll be unboxing a whole lot of stuff with videos every week. I certainly hope so, and I really need to get back on that horse, so to speak. So, let's check it out as far as what we've got here. Didn't expect all this plastic on here, so usually I don't like to put me ripping into plastic, so. Okay, I've got it right here, and it comes with instructions, which is really great. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this. Okay, so as you can see, this is it right here. I'll try and get as good as a shot as I can get of it, as far as the inside of it as well. That's what it looks like here. Let's take off this foam, and then we're gonna be showing this side here. So I'm guessing this flap just kind of comes out, and then you have something to do with that and stuff like that. However, let's just, since we happen to have this thing, hear me out here. Why don't we just put it in there? Hello? Yeah, I know. Okay, now I gotta figure out its orientation. Okay, I think I figured it out. And let's see. Should just snap right in place. Hopefully it does. And yep, and yep, and yep. Okay, well, that was easy. Normally I don't get a chance to demonstrate that with these tablets things I do, so kind of glad I did. Unfortunately, I can't really show with it on. Didn't come with a pencil, but if I bring this close to your attention, I think, here we go. You can see it right here. That's where the pencil gets held. So we got that, we got this, and now we can, oh yeah, this flap goes there. Hey, all right, we got something here. Hey man, if I was watching a video, I could do that. But what if I wanted to use it like this? Hey, I can use it like that. Not bad. All right, let's go through some of the other features here while I'm talking about this thing and giving it some adjustments. Yeah, okay, how good of an angle? How many angles do I got here? Quite a few, okay. Actually, this might be a better place to show it. There we go, yeah. Or better yet, let's show it like this. Yeah, I like to show off a lot of stuff, so and it's always fun to figure out what is the best way to show something off. I believe this is closed magnetically. Is there any, let's see. I don't really see any like flap or anything like that. Doesn't seem to be part of the features of it. Still, friggin' heck, got that going on here. I'm liking it a lot. Oh yeah, hey, hey, okay, let's get to the features. Okay, I've just discovered that this thing has an elevated writing mode, and I'm going to have to see if I can do this right here. But essentially, how does this work here? It shows that it can, does this, okay, this comes off. Oh my gosh, okay, I didn't realize that before. And then from there, you can put it up like so. So see, ta-da! So if I had a keyboard for this, I could put it down here, and then I could be, typing it there, and oh gosh, okay. I wonder, can I do this? Yes, I'm gonna try something. Okay, I can kind of do that. See how I can get that angle there like that? So yeah, that's kind of cool, isn't it? Something I'm glad to do this here. So that elevated writing thing, it raises it by about 8 centimeters up. I'll give you a demonstration of it again. And can I do it opposite? I don't know. I'm gonna try that. And not really, okay. It doesn't seem to have the kind of polarity thing. Okay, but you get it. You see it like there, that's what it can do. 8 centimeters from there to there, from what I'm told. It'll help out as far as like, because let's put it this way. If it was like the normal view, like this, and you were typing, you're always having to look down like this. You don't want to always having to look down like this. Look straight ahead while you're typing here. You have your screen there, pretty much where my phone is right now. Well, okay, closer to where my phone is right now. But you get what I'm saying here. As far as what we got here, it's 6 adjustable angles, including 2 writing angles at about 22 degrees to 26 degrees, and then about 4 viewing angles that range from about, let's see, 37 degrees to 64 degrees. I think I did the my angle measuring correctly on that. But if you want to at me at the comments on that, feel free. It's a free YouTube. Anyway, or is it? And okay, so, all right. So yeah, I think I've already discussed the whole removable design. Oh yeah, hang on a second. Yeah, there we go. The fact that you can remove it and still keep the case on is an added plus. Terrific for when you use it. Let's see. Okay. My suggestion is you kind of line up the camera with the camera thing, because I think that's definitely how it's designed to do. I tried flipping it around here. I'm not really having much good luck with that, because I just don't really think that's really worth trying. But I've already talked about the built-in pencil slot, and it's a folio case with a dual back design for 360 full body protection. And it's got a TPU PC inner back cover, reinforced with corners that protect from drops. I think I need to show you some of these corners here. I don't really know if I can really get a good thing on that. Plus, it just looks great overall. This is an awesome thing to have if you got yourselves one of those giant iPads, so I'm gonna recommend it. But we need to get to the price. Okay, I'm finding this on Amazon.com for a price of about $79.99, which is pretty good. I've seen cases like this that can range into the hundreds. Yeah, so the fact you can get it for that price is a pretty good deal. And we've discussed Supcase before, and they put out a lot of great prices. So yeah, this is another great product from them. I'm sure we're going to be doing a lot of stuff about Supcase in the future. For now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.